And in this episode, this engine is going to go into this boat. If I want to do it. What?
I can climb up in that tree over there.
Just like the transit plates? Up sesame. You just push the button and the motor raises. It's awesome.
Not traction.
It's not traction. The engine's getting ready to go down.
Show how backyard people do it.
Oh, and it's not fair. You should be stronger. And I wouldn't have to do this.
Yeah, but I'm smaller, so I can fit down here.
Oh. Touche. Okay.
It's funny how tight these are going down in here.
Listen.
Too high up, though. Yeah, this one's in the nut because since it has the pointed end, you can feel it in the bottom of the nut before you screw it in. So that one's in. Oh, how did?
Must be sitting on the mullet.
Yeah.
Why? Well, let's get them threaded down from the back.
All right.
I need that hand ratchet. Hey. Is it in?
It isn't.
Hey. It's in, Morgan.
Oh, that's pretty force.
What are you doing, Abby?
Wrenching down the engine.
Ratcheting.
Oh, ratcheting down the engine to the transfer plate. Oh, and Owen was doing the other side, but I'm doing this side right here right now. And he's going to get something and do another part on the engine over here, I think.
Yeah.
How much fun is engine alignment?
Not very fun. Tighten, loosen, tighten, loosen.
Hold on,
Tighten,
I'll get it, Owen.
Yeah?
It would be much nicer if we had another one of these 3/8 or whatever. Because I'm using an adapter that keeps falling off.
Oh, you
Yeah.
got it.
It's fun.
Oh.
Hey, buddy.
Hi.
What you doing right now?
Wrenching.
On what?
Ratcheting. On the back motor mount bolts, or not mount, the back motor bolts that connect to the stern drive plates.
Okay.
It's going to be a little bit of a long time because I got a little bit more to go.
What do you gotta do still?
The other one on the other side, and then the other two motor mount bolts.
Oh, okay.
So 6 in total. So far, I'm working on the third. But yeah. So as you can see, we use this maple tree up there. She's hooked up there, down here to the chain, to the winch. Gotta drop down in here finally. But yeah. There's my sister over there. She's been getting tools from me all day.
Well, before we got the engine aligned tonight, we kind of ran out of daylight.
And
we're going to finish it up.
yeah, it start raining and thunder and yeah.
And we didn't really, Oh, she should pop. We didn't really talk like a step by step what we were doing on this video.
Yeah.
But we're gonna come back to it in part 3 here, and we'll talk through everything that we did, the alignments,
Well, that's the only thing we didn't do is the alignment.
where the bolts went. There's a lot of really good videos out there. Like if you're trying to figure out how to align your drive and stuff, we're not going to walk you step by step through that. We'll kind of breeze over how this all went together tomorrow, and hopefully we'll get the exhaust hooked up. When we were done tonight, where were we at? We got transom plates are in, the motor's in, it's all bolted down. The only thing to do is the vertical alignment on the engine. It's centered up and squared. We just we're with the alignment tool. There's a slight. It's hitting the motor's down too far, so it goes all the way in, but it's got a little bit of a bind on it. We're figuring about a 1/4 inch will come up tomorrow.
Yeah.
That should take the bind out of it. And from there, next video will be stern drive exhaust. We plugged in the wiring. We'll get a battery in this thing and get it fired up. And we'll cover all that in the next one. It'll end up being 3 parts here. And
well, that's what they say. The 3rd time's charm.
Third part.
Yeah.
Third day.
3rd day.
Okay.
3rd day she goes together.
Okay. Well, and so we shot this little bit to close this out because obviously we didn't describe too much of what was going on, mostly because we're kind of concentrating on what we were doing.
Yeah.
When you do boats, it's very important, like...
This is in, so water ain't spraying everywhere.
Because when it all goes wrong in a boat, for some reason, it's always at the worst possible time.
That's
the wind's blowing, when it's rough, so you want your stuff to be right. Like I said, the next video will cover everything that we did in this one in depth and point to all the bolts and where everything plugged in.
Yeah.
Okay, what are you gonna forget?
Like, comment, subscribe, and have a good time.